Hello, hello, welcome back to the channel. We have implicit function. We are going to differentiate it. It says find dy dx if y is equal to x sine y. Since this function is expressed in terms of x and y, we are going to use implicit differentiation. And here we are going to use product rule. So here, the y, the x, this is equal to, I'm going to keep x and I'm going to differentiate sine y. That is going to be cos y, the x, plus, I'm going to keep sine y, I'm going to differentiate x, that is going to be 1. Take x cos y, dy dx to the left hand side, that is going to be the y, the x, minus x cos y, the x, this is equal to sine y. I can factor out the y dx and the y dx. I'm going to remain with 1 minus x cos y, the x, this is equal to sine y. I'm going to divide by 1 minus x cos y, both sides. So I'm going to remain with the y, the x, this is equal to sine y over 1 minus x cos y. So the y, the x, this is equal to sine y over 1 minus x cos y, and this is our answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here.